All right, hey guys, meteorologist Doug Hetty. It is a Thursday afternoon and evening. I am working today at KOM 5, 6, 9, and 10, but I've had the stomach flu. I got the stomach flu on Tuesday. My wife and I both came down with it, but on Tuesday afternoon, I started feeling queasy, and it went downhill pretty quick. So today I'm doing better, but still contagious. So I'm doing stuff from home. But we have huge changes moving in as we go through the next really 5 or 6 days. So let's glance through this, cover all this, and talk about what is going to happen because all of Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri are going to see big winter changes. Also, we have some more snow chances in the forecast. Even though we had that stripe of snow Tuesday from Wichita to Kansas City, a lot of areas picked up anywhere from 4 upwards to 8 inches of snow in Joplin. We got right at 1 inch, and we're sitting at 1.5 inches for the year so far. All right, so there's a Weather 2020 video. If you want to check that website out, weather2020.com. We do long range forecasting, subscription based, of course, a lot of farmers, ag companies, stuff like that. But great tool, Chiefs, Ravens. So we go after just about everybody. But also, a huge shout out to my boys, Superior Roofing and Construction, four-state premier roofing contractor. If you have roofing needs, make sure you contact them. They're pretty good guys. They did my roof last fall. The number is right there on your screen. All right, guys, let's dig into this because we got thunderstorm chances. We got a little bit of freezing rain, some snow, which is going to be working in. As of right now, we are getting some light snow starting to pick up north central parts of Kansas into northern parts of Missouri, but this main wave is going to kick out later on tonight, and it is centered down through the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas. So this is going to rip in and it's going to produce some showers, some thunderstorms, and then snow once again, northern parts of Missouri into southern parts of Nebraska and Iowa. So up in north central Kansas, northeastern Kansas, northern parts of Missouri, you guys could pick up another 1 to 3 inches of snow on the northern side of this. But we're going to get thunderstorms. You can see this starting to pop up just to the west of Oklahoma City. All right, so let me walk you through time here. Let's go to 11 p.m. tonight. We have thunderstorms erupting. In fact, I'm going to even back it up a little bit. We have thunderstorms erupting central parts of Arkansas. Some of those guys could be severe, especially in western parts of Arkansas. And then they get moving and move up through Little Rock, Jonesboro, West Plains. And then look at this little cluster. Northeastern Oklahoma, so Tulsa to Veneta, Miami, Joplin, Columbus, Neosho. I don't think these guys will be severe, but they could pack a punch. I mean, it could get a little loud out there later on tonight. And then look right behind the front here. You have this pink and a little bit of white. That is light freezing drizzle and light snow showers starting to pop up. So temperatures are going to drop very quickly. Mainly on the north side of Kansas City, we got moderate snow, so north central Missouri. So that's where you could pick up 1 to 3 inches lighter snow once you get out across southeastern parts of Kansas. All right, so let's go through the night. Here's 2 a.m. We still have light snow, northern parts of Missouri. Everybody else rain. The bigger thunderstorms now pushing into Illinois, but still good thunderstorms ongoing. Northwest Arkansas to north of Little Rock. And then here's that front. A little bit of freezing drizzle from Tulsa to Bartlesville to Independence, Chanute, Pittsburgh, Nevada, up to Kansas City. So there could be a glaze of ice. We're also going to have to worry about what we call a flash freeze. And what happens is when you get an Arctic front, temperatures, they'll drop. They usually drop 15, 20 degrees within about 30 minutes. So if you get showers and thunderstorms and the roads are wet, they drop below freezing. That water that's standing on the roadways freezes. So that can put a glaze of ice on the roadways. So that's something else that we want to watch. All right, let's go to 5:30 in the morning. On the back side of this, now we're getting some snow. Eastern parts of northeastern Oklahoma, a little bit of snow, Bentonville, Fayetteville, Springdale, and then the northern edge is really kind of Miami and Joplin. So Mount Vernon, Monette, Cassville, those are going to be some areas that we got to watch in the morning. And then this whole system quickly pushes east. So if we draw some circles here, let's go north first. So let's go northern Missouri all the way back through here. These areas will have a potential of 1 to 3 inches of snow, but the better chance for 1 to 3 is going to be in northern parts of Missouri. Let me track a little farther south here. All right, let's go in here, and this is why we have the winter weather advisory down here. From Nevada to Chanute, Bartlesville, Tulsa, Northwest Arkansas, and over through here. This is where we're going to have that possible flash freeze, light glaze of ice, not a huge deal, and maybe a dusting, maybe a half an inch of snow, maybe an inch of snow once you get out towards Springfield and Branson. But the Joplin Metro, just a glaze of ice and a dusting of snow, dusting to a half an inch. But that could still make the roads a little bit slick just because the temperatures are going to be dropping so fast. So let's go into that. These temperatures are going to be crazy cold. All right, so by morning, here's 4:30 in the morning. Look at this. Salina's at 11, Dodge City 11, 15 in Wichita. Joplin's falling through the 30s. As we go through the noon hour, 12 in Salina. Oak City is sitting at 33. Springfield is down to 22. Now, plus the winds are going to be strong. We're going to have very gusty west northwesterly winds, 15 to 25 miles per hour. So that means temperatures may be near 20, but wind chills are going to be 0 to -5 by tomorrow afternoon. As we get into the afternoon hours, most of the snow works out in northern parts of Missouri, and we clear out tomorrow night. But look at these temps. Down near 10 in Joplin, 22 in Fort Smith, 16 in St. Louis, down to 2 in Kansas City. Saturday morning, a little band of light snow flurries kind of pushes across central Missouri. And then most of Saturday afternoon is going to be dry. But I want you to notice this. This is 3:30 in the afternoon. So temperatures, if you are heading to the Chiefs football game, look at this, near 0 at Arrowhead as we get into Saturday evening. So that means if you're heading to that game, I mean, you want like 3 pairs of socks, you want something to sit on. That's just almost kind of a brutal game. So watch out for that, of course. All right, so let's go into the next system because it just keeps on going. So look at this. Sunday morning, look at these lows. -10 in Kansas City, -12 in Topeka, near 0 in Joplin, 4 in Fayetteville. And we have a quick moving upper level wave. Still need to see the exact track, but it looks like a band of light snow will rotate in, affecting Wichita, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Northwest Arkansas, and Joplin. It looks like the heaviest snow is going to be Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and Northwest Arkansas, where you guys could get 3 to 6 inches with this band. Little lighter amounts right now in southern Missouri, southeastern Kansas, maybe an inch or 2, maybe 3 if it sets up a little bit better. But brutal temperatures. Look at this. The snow rates are going to be so high. You don't even have to have hardly any moisture because it's so cold. It's going to be such a dry, powdery snow. It will pile up very, very quickly. But so this is Sunday night. Look at our temps. Single digits with light snow lasting into Monday morning, and then a few more trying to push in Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning. So this is going to be a wild ride over the next few days. Not necessarily meaning a ton of snow or a ton of ice, but the temperatures and the winds are definitely going to make it not feel so great. All right, guys, so make sure you tune in KOAM News tonight. And of course, as I start feeling better, I'll give you another video tomorrow. And of course, into the weekend as all these changes continue to push in. Any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. And I hope you guys have a great Thursday evening.